so you spin, when you spin pizza dough, it kind of flattens out.
Yeah.
Gets wider in the middle. And so Earth, throughout its life, even when it formed, it was spinning. And it got a little wider at the equator than it does at the poles. So it's not actually a sphere. It's oblate. And officially it's an oblate spheroid. That's what we call it. But not only that, it's slightly wider below the equator than above the equator.
A little chubbier.
A little chubbier.
Yeah.
Chubby's a good way. It's like pear-shaped.
Yeah.
So Neil deGrasse claims the Earth is shaped like a pear. NASA, with their composite images from their website, show a ball Earth, a sphere. So someone's not telling the truth, and I say both. And people would wonder why they would lie to us all this time about the Earth being a sphere. What people need to understand is the so-called elite that run this world, their control method is to keep us dumbed down and deceived. They are the so-called Illuminati, or the enlightened ones. Now, these so-called elite that rule this world, if their main method of control is to keep us dumbed down and deceived, why would they share their knowledge? Question everything. Question everything you've been told from the start. And take a look at this children's record album, My World is Round. This is a perfect example of conditioning the young minds. And for the people that trust in science, here's an example exposing a lie called evolution. Here's a fossil of a coelacanth fish, supposedly a 350 million year old fossil. And compared to the coelacanth of today, there's absolutely no signs of evolution with this fish. So what's the deal? People need to realize we've been lied to from day one. And it just so happens the theory of evolution is the exact opposite of what the Bible says. From the sun before the earth,